How to get off waitlist on Instacart. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and simply search for Instacart. Now from here you're going to have to click on continue in browser. Once you get to instacart.com, what you need to do next is simply scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the option shopper help. Tap on the drop down and here you have an option to contact the customer support. Click on this contact option. And once you've done that, what you need to do now is get to customer support. And if you are a shopper, you could look for shopper assistance as well and retail inquiries. To click on customer support first, click on get support. And here you'll be asked to log in. So let's just log into our account. Now here I have logged into my account, so you'll be asked to choose your address. So go ahead and enter your address here and you'll be able to contact the customer support and ask them to get you off of the wait list. Then they'll get back to you in your email that you've connected to your account and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.